Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M5CA010. This is a 2005 Cadillac Escalade. I don't know the official name of this color, but it's one of my favorite.
Bermuda Blue Metallic.
Bermuda Blue Metallic. This thing kind of looks like a 96, 98 Mustang Cobra Mistachrome. Absolutely love this color. This truck has 178K on it, is in very, very good condition. I believe it took a hit over here. Yeah. She got sideswiped. A little bit too much for insurance to fix, but absolutely perfect for what we do. This truck has a ton of good parts left on it. It's got a very nice wheel and tire set. I'm guessing those are replica wheels. I'd be shocked if the originals are that clean. We got both taillights made it. The deck lid's got a tiny bit of a scale on the bottom of it here. Yeah, so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna part this down. We know the spoiler's worth a ton of money. We tested the third brake light. We're gonna have the lower trim for sale, that kind of lower Escalade cladding. We'll have a complete rear bumper with park assist. It's early, guys, bear with me. Little tiny bit of surface rust on the inner structure there. You won't see it when you have a plate on it. Quarter panel moldings for days. We've got a driver's side complete paint to match running board. That's got to be next to impossible to find used. Door panels are in great condition. The wood trim hasn't blown off this one yet. I believe the left rear was missing it though. Yeah, very, very common for these trucks. I'm not sure why this happens. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. Literally every one of these we see has one of these missing. I don't know if people just slam them too hard and they pop off. I mean, look how these attach. I don't know. That's weird, but yeah. Back to the truck. This thing has a nice set of second row captain's chairs. We are going to be selling a front and rear second row seat set. We're going to sell this third row individually because it is extremely clean. I'm guessing there's a truck or two out there that a previous owner removed the third row. This is the one. We'll sell you that third row seat. Get your Escalade back to 7-passenger goodness. Step inside here. We'll fire this up. Starts right up. This is the first start in the entire weekend. No lift or tick. 178,000 miles. She's making oil pressure. Step outside here and let you hear how quiet this LQ9 is. We'll get the old box out of the way here. I hate these jump boxes. Very, very quiet. Looks like the manifolds may have already been done on this, but no lifter tick, no LS tick either. Yeah, looks like she's got replacement bolts. So they've been done at some point, but I'll shut up here and let the motor talk. Like I said, guys, nice and quiet. Get a nice shot of the front end here. Both the headlights are fully tested, as you guys can see. COVID cough, just kidding. Very nice condition. Let's step inside, test the cluster, the climate control, the navigation unit. I'll move these power seats here. Fully functioning. Man, I want one of these. Service ride control. All right, right off the bat, guys, climate control has a couple of dead bulbs here. I know they can be fixed, but we just want to be 100% honest. Sorry, I can only play non-copyright music, but there we go. Working very well. Let's see if the nav is working. No map disc. This navigation unit is going to be sold without a map disc. You will need dealer programming. These do need VIN unlocked. If you've got access to a Tech 2 scanner, that can do it. I know there's a lot of services on eBay where you can send them out and get it done as well, but just wanted to be upfront with that. This thing will need programming before you put it in your truck. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission here. Reverse engages right away. Drive engages right away as well. Just noticed something. Does this thing have power folding mirrors? It does. I'm trying to figure out how these work. Oh, there they go. Power folding mirrors are both tested. There it is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really impressed with this truck. I would totally own one of these. This might have been one to fix. That would have been like the 15th car in my collection. I mean, even the steering wheel, guys, for 173K, I know the wood helps, but this thing is absolutely mint. There is no wear on the buttons. The wood is nice. We're gonna have basically this entire interior for sale, folks. Upper dash pad, this nice wood grain trim. I'm bummed. This was the truck to fix. I kind of missed the boat on this one. Well, anyways, enough of the flapping of the gums there. That is going to wrap up the test video of M5CA010, our 2005 Cadillac Escalade. We are going to be selling this LQ9 out of this as a swap. You're going to get the motor, ECU, belt-driven accessories and harness, throttle pedal, and tack module. You'll need to do a little bit of custom wiring, but we got lights going crazy over here. A little bit of custom wiring, but it should be good to go. That 4L65E transmission, as you guys saw, engages right away. Front and rear diffs. A lot of good parts on this truck. So if you're looking for any of those, I'm going to leave a link in the description to our website, www.jngautoricking.com. You can give us a call at 800-425-1555. If you've made it all the way to the end of this video, 6 minutes and 30 seconds at this point, please subscribe to our channel. Helps us out a ton, lets us bring you more vehicles, more content. A lot of good stuff. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.